Welcome back to the Riddim TV series. My name is Peter, your host, your hoe, and a producer. Today, what we're doing is we're making a rhythm track. We've made already an intro. If you want to take a listen, if you want to see me making the intro, you can watch the previous part. Today, because I think it's gonna take so much time, I think I'm gonna make two sections today, a verse and a build-up. I don't want to spam a lot with a lot of parts, so I'm just gonna keep it short. So what I did in the meantime, like literally just today, 1 hour ago, I just put this drum loop here because that's what I'm exactly looking for. Awesome. Okay, snare. Have this. We have this. We get this. The reason I don't want to make this drum loop again because I made this for a different track and it took me like 2 hours because it was so complicated to make it work perfectly. Guys, don't look at my project names, okay? I'm also thinking that this part, it's kind of weird. This violin can be changed. It's not the best violin in the world. It should be better. It could be better. Oh, it is clipping big time. Big boy. -6, because this is standard. You know, you have to -6. It is clipping on -6. How about that, engineers? Let's see if I have any lead. Can be. Since we are going for like exotic, trouble, weird things, I think we can go for Middle East stuff. Cocoon. Middle Easters, can you tell me what the hell is this? Cocoon. Comments. Saz. Tanbur. Zurna. Kinda cringe, but maybe sounds good. Maybe not yet, you know? I'm just gonna add a Reese bass. Will you make a Reese bass? Yeah, a shit ton of unisono. Add more unisono. Sounds good to me. Put this guy here. This guy. Guys, you need to learn how to tune instruments. Pretty good, not gonna lie. Oh, that's cool. That's so cool. Wow, I totally didn't do anything cool in Ableton, so I can lose everything, right? That's so cool. Welcome bug. Let me see if actually I have any footage. Albra, maybe? Could not render any streams from the source. You cannot open this file. The file is broken. Awesome! Hell yeah! I don't know how much stuff has been recorded, but here's a sound I made. Putting LFO tool on it. The one. And secret sauce. You're supposed to be like this. Oh, pretty nice. Oh, I want another vibrato. There is already a vibrato. Hell yeah. Dude, I'm so poor, I'm drinking decaf coffee, so if you guys could subscribe and like this video, like watch it a bunch of times, because I'm so poor, I'm drinking decaf coffee. That'll mean a big time to me. How about we add a legendary rack called the one on this guy? Oh, before I crashed, I wanted to put a vocal. Don't fucking crash now. We need like a fill here. I think like classic break sound. Oh! Okay, that's pretty good. That actually works. We need like a vocal choir pad. Choir. It's choir, bro. It's choir. This Streamlabs OBS is so bad. It sucks. Such a huge ding dong. I said that already. I'll say it again. It sucks such a huge ding dong. Big time ding dong. Like, what the hell is this? Like, ding dong is the size you cannot imagine even exists. Why am I even using this? I should be using like, you know, fraps or something. Should be much better. You know what? Actually, like the drums for house tracks, for slap house, are actually really good for dubstep. Not gonna lie. Then we're gonna like... Okay. Maybe CYBERPACK risers. They're good ones here. I actually exported recently. I stole some PewDiePie vocals. I put the rag on it.
Yeah. I'll take you all out. Oh, I'll take you all. I'll take you all out.
That's not bad actually. Oh, maybe let's use the sounds we exported recently. Yeah, we can use this. This is 1 minute, so we're doing it correctly, which means we are doing an intro with the spice up here, transition, fine, and verse, or verse with the swipe up, and subscribe with the spice up, and then we're doing the build up, and then the drop here. Solidation, and we do texture transposition, go for 100%, I mean, for 12 semitones. We need some tonal elements here. Oh, hell yeah, this is gonna work. Faceplant, I have this bass inside faceplant. Okay, so we need definitely some vocal. Like, can we use this? I think for like fun purposes and educational shit. I think yeah. I think this kind of works. Okay, we gotta do something to the vocal. We can some forming shifting. Neutron. Neutron is pretty nectar. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Very sorry, nectar. Come on, nectar. 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 We'll go correction. Strength 0, 0.
Doing? What are you doing? No!
No, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop! No!
No, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stop! No! Oh, God! Fuck! 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 No!
It's really dirty. And can be like bum bum. Okay, so for this tutorial, there is this, that's it. Hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something. Anyways, let's listen. So we made a verse in the build-up. In the build-up, I think we can replace the vocal because I'm not sure about this one. In the intro, we gotta replace the lead, I guess. The verse is great, but I guess that's it. And let's take a listen. That transition needs to be better. That's pretty cool. That's loud. Okay, what we need to do is we need to tweak this transition because it doesn't transition well, and tweak this transition, I guess too. No, that's pretty good, but this part is too loud. That's it. Let me know any suggestions, any questions, goodbye, and good stuff like that. Hello, this is me, very good friend of you. As you can see, I got another blue screen, very not good blue screen. But a very cool thing is that I already finished recording. So nothing is lost, maybe only my soul. Goodbye. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can cite that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversample.us for some high quality samples, presets, and free sounds.